RV Life Trip Wizard can help you travel safely, with routes that can be customized based on your own rig's dimensions. This helps you avoid bridges and overpasses that are either too low or not able to handle the weight of your vehicles. Your routes can also take into account your preferences to avoid things like ferries and tolls. First, you'll need to access the trip you wish to edit. Click Open a Trip to get to the My Trips drawer. Then select your trip from the list and open it up. Once the trip is open, click on the wrench icon. Then select Trip Settings. The Trip Settings drawer has multiple tabs. First, you'll want to confirm your RV's dimensions by clicking on the RV Info tab. If you already know your RV's length, height, and weight, you can choose to enter this in yourself by clicking on Manually Input RV Info. Or you can search the RV Life database for this information by clicking on Look Up RV Info and following the prompts to find your rig's make and model. The information entered in these fields will help RV Life Pro to automatically generate RV-safe routes, including avoiding bridges too low for your RV's height. If you have made any changes to this tab, make sure to click Save. To further customize your route, click on the Routing and Driving tab inside the trip settings. Make sure you are set to RV routing if given a choice. Under RV routing, you'll be able to toggle on or off the ability to avoid certain options. Clicking on Yes next to Avoid Tolls ensures RV Life Trip Wizard will attempt to choose routes that do not include toll roads and will only route onto toll roads as a last resort. Clicking on Yes next to Avoid Ferries ensures RV Life Trip Wizard will attempt to choose routes that do not include ferries and will only select routes with ferries as a last resort. Similarly, you can choose to have RV Life Trip Wizard attempt to avoid highways, tunnels, or unpaved roads. To learn more about any of these options, you can hover your mouse over the question mark symbols. Once you have confirmed the options you've chosen for your trip, click Save. RV Life Trip Wizard will create or adjust your route based on these parameters. Remember that these settings can be adjusted on a trip-by-trip basis and should be reviewed if you are getting an unexpected or unusual route.